It was watching what went down when someone pulled out a piece of bread.
Daniel, that cat is so cute.
Meow. Meow, 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 meow.
So one of my last days in California, I decided to go to the beach, and this is a song about that. I said bye to California by jumping in the water at the beach. I'm a little bit neurotic, so I was pretty sure I caught a disease. The highlight of the day, I didn't drink it away or get too wet, but it was watching what went down when someone threw out a piece of bread. Seagull Bagel Orgy, Seagull Bagel Orgy, Seagull Bagel Orgy, Seagull Bagel Orgy. Now, if you're wondering what a Seagull Bagel Orgy is, it is just that. And you would think, like, when seagulls are at the beach, there's, like, a shitload of fish there, and they're probably into that. But, they're not. Seagulls actually love bagels. So let's all sing it together. Seagull Bagel Orgy. Seagull Bagel Orgy, yeah! Seagull Bagel Orgy. Seagull Bagel Orgy, yeah! Orgy.